everybody, so I got a video to do. I got another item for review and testing. It is 39.5 feet, I believe, of LED strip tape. So we're going to check it out, see what they sent, and please stick around and check out the video, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody. So, I got a package in the mail. I was actually sent information from an Amazon seller. They asked if I'd like to review and check out this item. I told them sure. This one is made by a different company other than the last one. LED strip light, app controlled, 3x4M. This is what the box looks like. It actually bounces to music. It's Bluetooth capable, and a couple other things. Energy consumption is A+. 360 LEDs. Input voltage AC 110 or 240 volt. Output voltage DC 12 volt, output power 34 watts, working temperature -20°C to +45°C. Life cycle 50,000 hours, package size is 175 by 170 by 75 millimeter. Max current is 5 amps. The box is in pretty good condition other than the side being a little dented right here, but all in all looks pretty nice. It's a roll of tape, looks like double-sided tape. Instruction manual. Comes with a small remote. It's not as big as the last one. It's similar to the last one. Comes with the DC plug to several outs. Here is the charging brick. The LEDs came in this nice electronic protection package, which is pretty nice. This one looks like it also has red backing, so you can, like the last one, you can just peel the tape off and stick it to whatever you want to stick it to. Looks like they're all red. You can also daisy chain them, is what it looks like. They sent me 3 of these rolls, which is 39.6 feet, if I remember correctly. Let's move the box out the way. Grab an extension cord and we'll plug them in and turn them on and give them a short little test. Get the extension cord plugged in. Okay. Let's just unravel. One. They do have arrows. You have to match the arrows up. Right there. Just gonna plug all of these in to this harness. We're just going to plug the harness in and check them. Okay, they do light up. Let's see. There's the remote. Doesn't look like the remote's working. You can daisy chain more LEDs onto these. That's what this harness is for. Doesn't look like the remote's working. Let's see. It's 39.42 feet. To be specific, 12 meters. The app is called Lotus Lantern on Android. I don't know if it is on iPhone as well. These do have cuts at every 3 LEDs. Yep, just like the last set. There's 3 LEDs, and then you can cut right here. See if we can get this connected. Yep, the app immediately connected, no issues. So I'll turn the lights off. Give you guys a better view. Here's the app. You can click on presets. I still have them wrapped because they're very long. Blue, red, dark red, yellowish orange, green. You can go around the circle. Turquoise, weird bright blue. You can also click on the RBG and you can customize it yourself. This is pretty neat. Adjust style, static red, static blue, static cyanogen, yellow. 3-color jumping change. 3-color jumping, 7-color jumping change, 3-color crossfade, 7-color crossfade, red gradial change. So it's got a lot of different, definitely a lot of different settings. Static blue. You can change the speed, the brightness, music. So it's actually bouncing to the music that I have on my headset. You guys can't hear the music, but there's music playing. So like if I scroll, so that's pretty neat. Mic check, 1, 2, mic check. You can actually have it bounce to your conversation if you choose. You can set it on a schedule, so it's a pretty neat app. You can turn it off with this button up here. I don't know if the remote works. I'm curious. Oh, there it goes. The remote started working. So you gotta the actual physical remote's kind of slow. If I close the app, will it still function? Yes. Okay, so the remote is working. It's being kind of picky and kind of slow. So the remote, it has to be facing this right here or it won't work. And I could, why? Some of the buttons are kind of finicky. Yeah, the remote's a little finicky, but that's just a little test. I don't know what I'm going to install these on. I might install them on the toolbox. That's the app name, if anybody needs to know. It's called Lotus Lantern. The app's got quite a bit of nice features. So that's a plus. It is nice that they sent you an extra roll of tape, double-sided tape. But I do smell a little bit, I think, of glue, but that's because I had them on and I didn't unwrap them, so it's probably making the glue kind of hot. So I also need to give an update on the LEDs that I have over there on the TV stand, but I'll do an update video separately. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. Oh, and I'll put the information down below for these if you guys want to check them out for Amazon. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.